Hi, this is the TCL 40SC and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the control panel and here you'll see the media icon. Click twice on this icon. Now we'll switch to the mode 1, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just click once again on the mute icon and switch to the media, and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just press up or down one button and here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just mute this volume panel and by this way we could mute our ringtones and notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.